What is up, fishing family? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is freezing cold again, and we're going to take some time to get our boat ready for the season. Hopefully it's going to warm up next week and just stay warm from then on. But today we're going to tackle the batteries, make sure they're charged, put a charger on them, and I'm going to walk you through it. Okay guys, so the charger's plugged in and I'm going to put these on the battery to get them charged. Now the key here is to make sure you put the red plug on the positive terminal. Some people mess this up, believe it or not, but they put the wrong clamp on the wrong terminal, and that will hurt your battery and damage it. Okay, so I got both clamps on the terminals. Red is on the positive, black is on the negative. And one thing nice about this Shoemaker charger is that it has a light that will say it's charging. And if you have them reversed and have the clamps on the negative, on the wrong terminals, it'll actually tell you right here. It'll show up with a red light. Now, once it charges and it's on a maintenance or a maintainer, this light will turn on. And then at that point, you can just take the clamps off and you're good to go. Good morning, guys. 36 degrees here in Virginia. I'm gonna check and see if the batteries got charged. You see, you've got a green light on there. That means that it charged. It's now on maintenance.